This is for the location of the 2008-2009 Ford Taurus ambient air temperature sensor, and it's located right in the center of the bumper. You don't have to take anything off, and you probably want to get some small screwdrivers. There is a tab on either side that needs to be depressed. I wouldn't go and try pulling that off of there. You might want to try cleaning some of these connectors. It's two-prong, and it's a little bit of a tight squeeze, but there's no body parts that need to be taken off. Another option might be to use some toothpicks if you don't have any tools on hand, but I cleaned this one up and it seems to be responding. Sometimes you can get some sandpaper on the contacts, but the original part number is DY1137, and they do make a aftermarket by Ultra Power TX12, and there's other ones out there, but I would stick with the original Motorcraft parts. Thanks.